So I went camping in the desert and loaded all my stuff up in my Toyota Yaris. Everything. 7-gallon water jug, my solar generator, all of my gear. The little Yaris is nicely packed in the back. I make it out to the desert. I try to set up my camp and my rear hatch won't open. Alright, so I ended up taking everything out through the front passenger door, and it was a pain in the butt. The 7-gallon water tank, yeah, that wasn't easy to do. So when I got back, I started exploring my options on what to do. What do I need to do to fix it? Well, the common word around the internet is, these Toyota hatchback locks are notoriously faulty and they get gunked up. And, there are many solutions, spray some WD-40 in there, do this, do that. Well, I finally decided to just bite the bullet, pay, and get it replaced professionally. Because the door won't open. The lock won't open. It stays locked, and no matter how I jiggle the key, it wouldn't work. So I decided to replace the lock. It's going to cost a couple of $100, because I won't be able to do it myself. I'll take it apart. I won't be able to put it together. Anyway, as an afterthought almost, I decided to call my best friend, who's a master mechanic for many decades. And I said, listen, man, what can I do before I go out and spend this money? He goes, I had the same problem on my Toyota, but it happened with the ignition. He said, do you have a spare key? I said, yeah. He said, try using a spare key. So I did, and it worked. Guys, from all the years of using the key to get inside the car, to use it in the ignition, look at the old key. Look at the old key. It lost all of its ridges. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it lost all of its ridges on both sides. No wonder it's not working. I'm surprised I could get my car started. Anyway, try your spare key before you spend that money. I hope it works for you as well as it did for me. If it did, come back, like it, and subscribe. Thank you.